Simple samosa. Yes, I can feel that your mouth has already started watering the moment I said samosa. Am I right? Of course, yeah. There would be no one who doesn't like to have samosas. Everybody likes to have this crispy golden layered samosa with that aloo stuff, right? Yes. Well, here I'm not talking about the samosas which are edible, but I'm just talking about the samosas which are enjoyable. What do you mean by that? Yes, here we can enjoy the samosas without eating the samosas because this is the cartoon name. This is the name of the first cartoon that you have to watch if you want to take your English to the next level. Yes, so if you are someone who doesn't know, or if you are someone who is completely unaware of this cartoon name, then please let me explain briefly about this cartoon so that you will get to know each and everything in a clear way. Okay? Yes. Well, the name of the cartoon is Simple Samosa, as I mentioned earlier. Well, here what we get is we get a cartoon with Indian snacks. Yes, this story completely revolves around four main characters. Those characters are all based on renowned Indian snacks. Yes, you heard me right. So, what are the names of those characters? Yes, but when I said the moment I say those words, character names, you will definitely burst into laughter, guys. I'm quite sure about it. Well, the character names are Simple Samosa, Jalebi, Dokla, and Vada. Thank God. I thought I would forget these character names. I didn't forget it. Okay. So these are the character names. So sorry guys, we can't have these items, but we can enjoy these items as I mentioned, as I told you before. Okay. Yes. So in this story, like in this cartoon, the whole story revolves around these four main characters. Okay. And the Simple Samosa is the heroine and the leading role of this cartoon. And what he exactly does in this cartoon. Yes, whenever the town, oh my god, I forgot to mention the town name, yaar. How is it even possible? Yes, let me tell you about the town where they live, okay? Yes, they live in a wonderful world called Chatpata Nagar. Yes, this is Chatpata Nagar. That is where they live. Okay, whenever the town is in trouble, these main four characters will come forward to help or to get the town out of the words. So this is their main responsibility, and of course our hero called Simple Samosa can't shirk his responsibilities because we named him as a hero, right? So he has to do it. He has to take the brave step and the bold step to save everyone, to save the citizens in his town, or to save the people who is in danger in that Chatpata Nagar town. Okay, yes. Well, there will be so many Indian snack characters, guys. Okay, but I don't remember the character names. But I just revealed those only four main characters, and I just to remember those four characters only. Okay, yes. Once you start watching these videos, you start watching this cartoon, you will definitely fall in love with this cartoon because it is an Indian animated television series. Okay, and the accent they use is very simple as the title name, Simple Samosa. Okay, yes. And one more thing is they just upload interesting and enchanting content every single day. Yeah, if you are someone who doesn't like to watch it in mobile, this cartoon, you can also watch it in television. Yes, it is also available on television. What you have to do is you just go to the Disney channel and you can watch there. I think every afternoon they telecast this cartoon at around 2 or 2:30. I'm not quite sure about the time, guys, but in the afternoon time they telecast the videos, they telecast these episodes, the episodes of this cartoon, and try to watch them only in English. Of course they telecast in English language. Okay, yes. But if you are watching in any another channel from your television, then there is a chance they would telecast in Hindi. Okay, so try to search for Disney Junior. If you find out the Disney Junior, then every channel, like every cartoon that appears on that Disney channel telecast in only English language. So that is why I'm telling you to watch this cartoon only on Disney Junior. Okay, yes. So that is all about this Simple Samosa cartoon, and this is the first cartoon that you have to opt for because this is really an incredible channel which is going to help you a lot in improving your English skills, guys. The language they use is very simple and the accent is very easy to grab. You can easily catch that accent and you can easily catch that pronunciation pronunciation, the way they are pronouncing, and the way they are using the vocabulary words. They don't use the fancy vocabulary words. They just use the simple and easy vocabulary words that everybody can understand. So that is why I'm telling you, if you are someone who is trying to start English learning journey, then please start your journey from this channel, from this cartoon, okay? Because it's going to help you a lot, and you will also see a massive growth in your English skills. Yes, so that is all about the first cartoon, Simple Samosa. If I want to talk about the second cartoon name, that is Peppa Pig. It is not an Indian animated television series, but it is originated from Britain. Yes, it is a British animated television series, and you can watch this. You can watch this Peppa Pig on Disney Junior. Okay, these all cartoons I used to watch. I used to watch on Disney Junior channel. Yes, on television. And you know what, guys, I'm fond of the cartoons whatever appear on this channel, because they always telecast in English, and those all cartoons use simple and easy English language. That is what I really like. Okay, so let's come to the Peppa Pig. Yeah, so if I want to talk about this Peppa Pig, a female piglet called Peppa is the main leading role of this cartoon. Okay, she is the protagonist of this series, and she lives under the same roof along with her parents called Mama Pig, Papa Pig, and with her little brother called George. And she loves to play. She loves to play in the muddy puddles. This is actually a habit for them to play in the muddy puddles. And when I want to describe about her character, she has a very aggressive nature, and she is very obstinate, very obstinate. Once if whenever we mess with her, she won't leave us without seeing our end. So that is what she does in that cartoon. Okay, and of course she always love to explore the things. She plays with her brother, and she loves to live her life along with her parents. And this is all about that cartoon, and I really adore the character Peppa. I really adore it. I always love to watch it. But the thing is that here we get this cartoon in a British accent, guys. Okay, so that is where the problem arises. If you are someone who doesn't know about the British accent, who is not accustomed to this accent, then you may face difficult at first, but gradually you will habituate to it. Once you start watching these cartoon like episodes, you will definitely addict to these episodes or to this cartoon, because those words, the language they use is very very lucid. Okay, yes, and the voice of the Peppa Pig is adorable, and I admire a lot and admire that character a lot, only because of the voice. Once you start listening to that voice, you won't feel like completing, or you won't feel like switching off that video without completing. So that is the greatest so that is the speciality of this cartoon. You will definitely love, or you will definitely adore the character Peppa because of that charming voice. Yes, so this is all about the Peppa Pig cartoon. If I want to talk about the third cartoon name, that is Paw Patrol. Yes, actually, guys, I'm not obsessed with this cartoon as I'm obsessed with this Simple Samosa and Peppa Pig. But even though I'm not into it, even though I'm not fond of this cartoon, I used to watch this Paw Patrol only because of learning English, only for the sake of English. Yes, I don't like the characters, not characters that animated characters. Okay, I didn't like actually, but I forced myself because I want to become fluent in English. There is no chance left. I have to watch each and everything in the content which is available in English. So that is why I wanted to watch it, and I started watching this. And the language they use here is also different from our accent. Not the language, but the accent. The accent is different from our accent. Yes, of course, at first it is going to be a bit challenging task for you to understand the accent. But once you understand the accent, you will definitely fall in love with the language they use and the words they use. They are very simple. I don't have to repeat it over and over, because we can easily guess it, guys, because all these are children cartoons, right? Animated cartoons or animated television series. So we can easily understand what kind of language they use in all those episodes. So we don't need to struggle to get the meaning of any vocabulary words. They don't use any complicated or intricate vocabulary words. Okay, Yes, if I want to tell you a bit more about this Paw Patrol, there will be some dogs. Okay, some six rescue dogs. Yeah, the main character is Ryder. Yes, the whole story revolves around the boy named Ryder who leads the team of six rescue puppies. Okay, these puppies are team working puppies. Okay, they try to solve the problems whenever the people in that town fall in trouble. They try to get them out of the trouble. Okay, they are like very bold and robust and very heroic nature. So these dogs just do the activities under the guidance of Rider. So he does everything. He does he tells them, he teaches those puppies what to do and and how to get them people out of the problems when they are in danger. So this is what their duty is. They just try to rescue the any animals or any or people, okay, whenever they are in danger or whenever they are in perilous situation. So this is all about the Paw Patrol. So these are the three cartoon names, guys. First one is Simple Samosa, Peppa Pig, and Paw Patrol. I really adore and I really love first two very very much. Okay, that Simple Samosa and Peppa Pig. I already told you I'm not into this Paw Patrol, but I want you to watch it because it is going to be helpful, guys. It's worth watching. So please try to watch that cartoon as well, but please start your journey with that Simple Samosa, because that accent is our accent, Indian accent, so we don't find it very difficult. We will not find it very difficult, and it's not going to be a cumbersome task to understand that accent. So please go for it and try out that cartoon first, and after watching that you will definitely see a huge growth in your English skills. Okay, but watch only one episode for one day and repeat that episode whatever you are watching. Don't go for the next episode or the next random episodes. Just stick to one episode whatever you watch for one single day, and try to repeat after the subtitles. If the subtitles are not available, there is no problem, because it is quite easy to grasp the accent when it comes to that Simple Samosa cartoon. Okay, so you can easily grasp it, and you do one thing while they are saying the dialogues, that characters in that cartoon, try to repeat after in your mind. You don't have to say it out. You just try to follow the shadow technique. Yes, because it is going to be very helpful, and it will definitely improve your English speaking skills as well. After watching those videos, after watching those episodes, try to speak, try to narrate the things whatever you watched in that particular episode, so that you are going to get a grip on storytelling as well. Okay, storytelling is a wonderful method, guys. I already mentioned in one of my videos, is it is a wonderful method to become a fluent speaker in English. It is gonna make some impact. It's gonna show some good impact on your English speaking skills once you command this storytelling method or storytelling technique. Okay, so this is how you should watch. This is what you should watch. Okay, that is all about those cartoon suggestions. So before I'm going to conclude the video, I want to say one thing, guys, that please do not set any boundaries that you want to become fluent within a month or within a week or within a year. We can't estimate or we cannot predict how and when we are going to become fluent in English, right? So please do not set that particular time. If you do not get the desired result, you feel like giving up. I don't want you all to give up because all these days you are struggling to become fluent in English, right? So what will be the use of it? What will be the use of practicing all these days, and what will be the point of coming this far, guys? So please do not set any boundaries, do not set any time for your fluency. Take your own time that you want to and that you need to take. Okay, take your own time, and don't think about mistakes are inevitable whenever we are learning something new. Don't think about mistakes. And there is a great saying that being late doesn't mean you are a fail, or you that doesn't mean failure. Okay, it means you are just getting ready for a great launch, right? Who knows it, guys? So please stay put, and please continue whatever you are doing, whatever the methods that you are applying to improve or to elevate your English speaking skills. Just continue, and please try to speak every single day while you are implementing these methods or whatever the activities you are doing. You do not forget to practice to speak out. Okay, that is the speaking plays a pivotal role, guys. If you want to get fluency, if you don't speak out, if you don't articulate your feelings in this language, then how are you supposed to get that fluency, right? So you have to speak out. Your muscles should habituate to those English words. So please start speaking out. Okay, try to spend 20 to 30 minutes of time only for speaking. Okay, so that's all about the video, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, and please do not forget to put on smile. Okay, bye bye.